Last year I paid one of my guys to come in, literally hip waders go in, cut the bottom up these, what do you call these? We call them cattails.
Bulrush, cattails.
Okay,
Yeah.
These are growing everywhere in this neighborhood and I don't know why, but I gotta tell you, I met your dad last year. I took my boat down to Coburg, and we just happened to meet. I was telling him about my pond because he was telling me about his business. So when he said weeds be gone, the first thing that came to my mind was weeds be gone, you're a landscaper.
Right. I get that a lot.
But you're not a landscaper.
We're not landscapers, we're pondscapers.
Pondscapers.
Yeah.
You do golf courses, you do all kinds of properties to clean the pond. I got quoted $100,000 for a tractor to come in, ruin my property, dig this all out, put rocks around the edge, and I just said, no, it's a pond.
Yep.
So